I was a fellow in Gynecologic Oncology in New York City at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in the mid-1980s. Towards the end of that period, I started to explore job opportunities, and as fate would have it, there was a position open on the faculty at Duke. I never imagined that I would wind up here. My father had an enormous respect for our family physician. With my interest in math and science, he thought that perhaps a career in medicine would be a good avenue for me to pursue. I think that interest took hold as I learned more about human biology and diseases, and I certainly have no regrets. I arrived at Duke at a very propitious time. The idea that cancer was a disease that's caused by genetic mutations had just taken hold. I thought, there's going to be some pretty important discoveries here, and I think those could have broad implications for prevention, diagnosis, better treatment. And one of the main reasons that I wanted to come to Duke was the opportunity to walk into a lab with critical mass and other people who could help guide and mentor me was incredibly appealing. I was able to start my own research and begin to get grants and independent funding. After hiring a technician with my first grant, we worked together and developed a tumor bank that grew over the years to a bank with thousands and thousands of samples, and that really powered the research and my ability to study different specific sorts of mutations and changes that lead to the development of these cancers. What's so great about working at Duke is that you're surrounded by amazing people who are bright, talented, dedicated. There's so many people here doing work that's relevant to cancer, that impacts on gynecologic cancers, that it really shows what incredible depth we have here. I think that Duke is one of the leading cancer centers in the nation because of the centralized investment from the health system in making it more than a clinical service. I think that donating to medical research, and in particular cancer research right now, help make and create a better future where fewer patients will die eventually of their cancer. 5 or 10 years ago, my wife, Amy, started asking me, "What's your legacy?" I really started to think seriously about it, and I felt like my legacy is the people that I've helped train who are carrying on into the future. So I decided to try to raise funds for an endowed lectureship in my name. We've established the lectureship 3 years ago, and I feel like it's fulfilling everything that I envisioned in really bringing people back who are part of the Duke family. As time went by, I was approached by a number of other institutions to look at jobs. After a while, I realized that when I came back, it only reinforced how lucky I felt to be at Duke.